Hi, I'm Lauren from LSP Actions. Let's turn this really beautiful newborn image straight from camera shot by Brandt. You can see here we still have, is literally a straight out of camera shot. Let's turn this one into a beautiful black and white, only using Evoto. Challenge accepted. So I'm just cropping in a little bit to start with. I wouldn't necessarily recommend doing all of your editing in Evoto, but let's just see what LSP black and white presets loaded into Evoto, plus Evoto's normal technology and capabilities is capable of. So let's dive in. For black and white presets, LSP that is, if you've got Evoto without the LSP presets, you won't have this section. You need to add these in via the LSP Actions website. Play first will desaturate your image. Now we have the refine black and white. Because it's a dark shot, I'm going to play deep down. And now we're coming into the booster section, so I'm going to play Booster 02 just to boost this image up a little bit. Black and white skin, because these kind of get intense as they go down. I'm going to go for skin number 4. And that's just going to help fix the newborn skin there, before and after. And with any of the skin areas, if you come onto portrait retouching, for example, I'm going to click child here because this is a child portrait. You can brush off anywhere. So you might decide, you know, there's an area of the skin that Evoto's taken off that you want to keep. So you can literally say, for example, we want to bring the foot flakes back. I'm just going to brush that and hit OK. And that's brought all the foot flakes back if you wanted to. I'm going to undo that because I prefer the clean up look. And now we're into the background section. I'm going to hit background art 03. I'm going super fast with this one because this is just an overview. You can watch the main tutorial for these ones where I go a lot slower, explain everything in detail and everything you can kind of do to get that super fast workflow in Evoto using LSP. And now we're into finishing touch. How about we have a vignette. That's just going to darken those edges in. So there we've created a black and white in Evoto. Evoto's not necessarily known for its black and white at the moment, but having these presets loaded in from the LSP Actions website can help you achieve that. Before and after, and that's working on a straight out of camera image as well. Before and after. Using the LSP black and white presets in Evoto. I hope you love these. I can't wait to see what you do with them. If you grab these, please let me know because I'd love to see what you're creating. I'm Lauren, thanks for watching.